In the history of aviation, there are planes, and then there are legends. Today, we are talking about a legend, the F-22 Raptor, the world's first fifth-generation fighter. What makes this machine so special that, even decades after its debut, it remains the undisputed king of the skies? Let's rewind to the Cold War era. The US Air Force needed a fighter that could outmatch anything the Soviet Union could throw at it. The answer was the Advanced Tactical Fighter program, a competition that pushed aviation technology to its absolute limit. Out of this crucible of innovation, Lockheed Martin's YF-22 emerged victorious, and in 1997, the F-22 Raptor was born. It wasn't just an upgrade, it was a quantum leap. So, what's the secret sauce? It's a combination of three key ingredients: stealth, supercruise, and sensor fusion. First, stealth. The F-22's design, with its sharp angles and special radar-absorbent materials, makes it nearly invisible to enemy radar. It can see you, but you can't see it. This gives its pilots an unprecedented advantage. They can dictate the terms of any engagement before the opponent even knows they re there. Next, supercruise. This means the F-22 can fly at supersonic speeds, over Mach 1.5, without using its afterburners. Most fighters can only achieve these speeds in short, fuel-guzzling bursts. The Raptor can sustain it, allowing it to close distances rapidly, escape threats, and control vast areas of airspace with unmatched efficiency. It's like a sprinter who can run a marathon at full speed. But the real game changer is its integrated avionics and sensor fusion. The F-22's powerful radar, electronic warfare systems, and data links all talk to each other, creating a seamless, 360-degree picture of the battle space for the pilot. It's like having a superpower. The pilot knows everything happening around them, from enemy aircraft to ground threats, all displayed on intuitive cockpit screens. This incredible situational awareness is what truly sets the Raptor apart. It's not just a fighter, it's a flying command center. And let's not forget its dogfighting prowess. With thrust-vectoring nozzles, the F-22 can perform breathtaking maneuvers that seem to defy the laws of physics. It can turn on a dime, pointing its nose and weapons at an opponent with incredible agility. Combine this with its internal weapons bay, which keeps its stealth profile clean while carrying a deadly arsenal of missiles, and you have the ultimate air-to-air predator. The F-22 program was expensive, so much so that production was capped at just 187 operational aircraft. Yet, its legacy is undeniable. It set the global standard for air dominance. Every advanced fighter developed since, from the F-35 to Russia's Su-57 and China's J-20, has been measured against the Raptor's capabilities. It became the benchmark, the ghost in the machine that every adversary had to account for. Even today, the F-22 Raptor serves as a critical deterrent, a symbol of American air power that guarantees control of the skies wherever it flies. It's more than just an aircraft. It's a masterpiece of engineering, a strategic asset, and a testament to the relentless pursuit of air superiority. The king still reigns. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the F-22, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more stories about the world's most incredible machines. See you in the next one.